I'm going to show you how you can download Discord app on your Mac. First of all, open your browser and log on to discord.com/download. From that page, click on the download for Mac option. This will ask for you to save your installer file. Click on save and then wait for it to get downloaded. Once your download is completed, double click on the downloaded file and move Discord into your applications. After that, go to applications on Mac and double click on Discord icon. After that, it will ask for confirmation. Discord will check for in-app updates and then a welcome screen will pop on your computer, after which you can access your account using your email or phone number, or you can simply log in by scanning the QR code through your Discord mobile app. In this way, you can download Discord application on your Mac computer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and then we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.